Hello everyone, I am Ankan and I am excited to introduce you to my Java-based tactical puzzle game called Virus Vector Infection Maze, which I made using Java Swing and AWT. It's a retro-inspired 2D maze game where you play as a virus that spreads infection tile by tile while dodging enemies, collecting power-ups and outsmarting a variety of antivirus threats. Now coming to the game concept and objective, the main goal is simple. You need to infect at least 70% of the maze before the time runs out, but what makes it challenging is the presence of multiple strategic enemies like patrolling antiviruses, chasing enemies, random movers, and enemy spawners. Players must navigate carefully, make smart moves, and collect the power ups like the shields, infection range boosters, and time extensions to survive and progress through the levels. So let us go through some of the game rules before playing the games. Like we need to infect at least 70% of the maze to complete each level. We start with 10 lives and lose a life when the time runs out or the game restarts from level 1 if we get hit by an antivirus without shields. Now you will get here 3 power ups. The light blue color power up will increase the infection range. The deep blue color power up will act as a shield. It will protect you against the antivirus for 15 seconds, and the yellow colored power up which will add plus 30 seconds to your time, and you will be eligible to get this from level 3 plus only. We, before coming to the game, let us also go through the antiviruses. Like the chasing, like the classic antiviruses will be of red color. It will be a static enemy and you will lose a life on contact. The patrolling antiviruses will have an orange line in the middle. It will move left and right. The chasing antiviruses will be of the color magenta and it will pursue player every, it will like chase you. The random and antiviruses, it will also move randomly. And then there is the enemy spawner that will spawn the antiviruses time by time, and then there will be the firewall which will be of brown color. Now let us play the game. You need to click on the start infection option. Now you could see the green color is the virus and I need to infect 70% of the grid. Now this yellow color is the enemy spawner that is spawning the enemies. This orange color block that is moving left and right. It is an antivirus. Now if I come in contact with the antivirus, I will lose a life and I will start again from the first. Now here my shield gets activated because it was the deep blue color. Now if I come in contact with any of the antivirus, I won't lose the life. This pink color antivirus is like the virus that will haunt you, that will pursue you. Now this is the static orange antivirus. It will not infect you, but it will create a block or obstacle for you. Now becomes very much tough for me to complete the 70%. Now this is another power ups, the range booster power up, which will help me to boost my infection range. Now level complete, you need to press N for the next level. You can move the virus to the arrow keys, or also you can use the 2468. As the level progresses or increases, the game will become more complex and strategic. You need to make very resourceful use of these power ups. Since my shield is activated, so I am not being killed by the antivirus. So this is how the game goes. Now let me just tell you about the tech stack that I used. So the virus vector is built entirely with pure Java using only the standard libraries, no external engines or dependencies. The Java Swing was used for the GUI components like the game window, home screen, and the button interactions. The AWT was used for the graphics rendering and the keyboard input. JAVA-AWT swing timer drives the main game loop at 60 frames per second, and all rendering is custom drawn using paint component in Java 2D graphics system. Thank you.